completing the square, use the method of completing the square. Now when you're completing the square, you think like this. You have x square minus 12x minus 10 is equal to 0. Correct? Now what will this be the expansion of? Expansion of what will give you
X.
Expansion of what will give you this?
X minus 6.
X minus 6 the whole square?
Yeah.
What is x minus 6 the whole square? X squared.
X squared.
Minus
X
12
minus
plus
12x plus 36.
Plus 36.
Yeah.
So this number should have been 36.
Yeah.
But it's not 36.
It's not 36. 10. Yeah.
So I want 36. So I'll take 36. Correct?
Just take 36.
Yeah. There's a minus 10 is there. But I can't take 36. So I have to obviously subtract it, balance it out.
Yeah.
I can't change the sum which is given. So this is a perfect square. This is nothing but x minus 6 square.
Minus 10 minus
Minus 46.
Oh, minus, yeah. Directly,
Correct?
yeah.
So x minus 6 the whole square. Take 46 on the other side. Plus 46.
Plus 46, yeah.
Now how do you get rid of the square? Plus or
square
minus root 46.
Root 46, yeah.
So x is equal to 6 plus or minus root 46. That's your answer.
Wait, have I learned this? I think I have, right?
Yeah.
I've learned this.
Yeah, completing the square. This is you're completing the square. You think of the square which is there.
Yeah.
And get the appropriate last term.
But I don't think I've learned it like this.
Yeah, you haven't done it like this.
Yeah.
You get the appropriate last term.
Yeah.
Put that appropriate last term over here.
Yeah.
And balance it out. Basically.
Right. So just subtracting it.
Yeah, just subtracting it.
And
Because
you can,
when your last term should always be positive.
Yeah.
36. So you balance it out.
And you can just keep it as square root 46 and that's fine.
But yeah, that's, you can't do anything.
And yeah.
Because they have, you can use your calculator and note, but they want the exact answer basically, completing the square. Which quadratic function is the smallest minimum value? So get the minimum value for each of them. Here, this is the one which is given.
So
which is the minimum value over here?
Which one?
First one, this table.
0.
Oh, sorry, these are 1, 2, 3, 4 sums. Oh, sorry.
Oh, 4 different equations.
So this one, how do you find a minimum value?
By plugging in 0?
There's one more. Yeah, not by plugging in 0. You graph it and you see which is the minimum. Do that. And tell me what is the minimum value. Graphing it.
Oh no, because if I plug in 0, then it will give me y.
Y. It will give you the y. Yeah. Remember one thing, please. Value is always the y value. So if they ask you the minimum value, so the minimum value is minus 3.04.
Minus 3.4. Because
this is the value.
Yeah, value.
Now this was the first equation. Second equation. Now this one what is the minimum value?
Of y?
Now say if you try to plot this. 0, 6, 0, 6, 1, 2. Correct? 2, 0. 3, 0. Correct? 4, 2.
5, 6.
5, 6.
So 0.
So that means your quadratic would be like this. Now what is the minimum value here be? How do you get the minimum value? You know how to get this equation. You know how to get this equation. This is 2 and this is 3. So these are my two x-intercepts which are
x-intercepts, yeah.
So y is equal to, you have to use the formula a x minus p x minus q. The two intercepts.
Yeah.
This is p. So a x minus 2
x minus 3.
Then you use any of the value. Let's say 0, 6.
0, 6.
So 6 is equal to
a
0 minus 2, 0 minus 3.
Yeah.
So 6 is equal to minus 6a.
Yeah.
Therefore a is equal to what? Minus 1. So
I remember this.
Yeah. So y is equal to basically.
You leave it. You minus and then
a minus
x minus 2 x minus 3.
Now you sketch this on your calculator. Use your GDC, sketch it and get the minimum value. It's a sad phase, correct? So you don't have a minimum value. This is having a maximum value. So this is totally, it doesn't count.
Yeah.
But this is how you can do that. Now this one, what will you do? You can graph it and do it. Or you can come to know the vertex.
Yeah.
What is the vertex of the...
Is this vertex in vertex form?
It is in vertex form, no? This
so
is
2 it's 2 minus 2, no?
2 minus 2.
Yeah.
So what's the minimum value?
-2.
Minimum value is -2.
Yeah.
Here, what is the minimum value?
0, 0.
0, 0. So minimum value is 0.
Yeah.
So now we are having 1,
Yeah.
2, and 3. Now, which is the smallest minimum?
The smallest,
Minimum.
as in not too low, but the the highest.
On
out
a
of the
number
three.
line, on a number line,
Hmm.
the lowest value is leftmost on the number line.
Yeah.
So you have minus 3.04.
Then you have -2
You have -2
and 0.
and you have 0. So which is the lowest, smallest minimum value?
0.
Ah!
Oh, lowest -3.04. Interesting question. Good question.
Good question.
This was a good question.
Next.
If the zeros of the function g of x are -3, comma... What? Okay. -3, comma 0, -4. How can you have
-4.
Sorry, -3, 0, 4. Which function could represent g of x?
Yeah. What does it mean?
I have no clue.
It means that
Oh.
this is -3, this is 0, this is 4. These are the zeros. So what? So y is equal to what is it? A, some factor.
Yeah.
X plus 3, correct?
Yeah.
X minus 0, x that is. And x minus
4. Yeah.
Yeah, this can represent it.
But it's asking for g of x.
G of x. Instead of y, you call it g of x.
Okay.
Y is your g of x.
And this formula is what? Is this a...
It's like your quadratic.
It's same as quadratic.
It's the same as quadratic. So suppose if you have PQR and you have, let's say, some... So y is equal to A x minus P, x minus Q.
X minus 1. Got it. Learning new things every day. Time pass question.
Yeah. 72 feet per day. 1 day is 24 hours. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Correct?
Yeah, and 12 inches.
12 inches into foot.
Yeah.
Correct? He performs the calculation this rate to different units. What are the units of the converted rate?
So our answer would be what?
So see, day and day is gone.
Yeah.
Hours and hours will go.
Hours and hours gone.
Correct? Your foot and feet is the same thing that will go.
Yeah. So it's minutes.
So it is
minutes
inches
per minute. This is chemistry question.
Inches per minute, yeah.
This is genuinely a chemist.
Yeah.
This is my... It costs Ben 50 cents for each hot dog and 40 cents for each pretzel. He has only $100 to spend each day on hot dogs and pretzels. He wants to sell at least 200 items each day. If H is the number of hot dogs and P is the number of pretzels, write a system of inequalities used to determine the total number of hot dogs and pretzels Ben can sell. What's inequalities?
Less than equal to. When you have an equation and you write less than equal to, greater than equal to, that's called inequality.
Okay.
So 0.5 for each hot dog, 0.4 for each pretzel.
And only $100.
100 to spend.
And
he has to sell at least 200 items per day.
Yeah.
So P is the number of pretzels and H is the number of hot dogs. So can you say that a hot dog per pretzel
is equal to 0.9?
Greater than at least 200 items. So this is greater than equal to 200.
Yeah.
Your hot dogs plus the pretzel should be more than 200 at least.
Yeah.
Now the cost. Each hot dog is 0.5. Correct?
Yeah.
One hot dog is 0.5. So you have 8 hot dogs. How much will it cost? So 0.5 each. You know that, no? You will multiply, no?
Yeah, cross multiply. No?
Cross multiply.
Yeah.
What is the cost of the pretzels be?
0.5 each. 0.4
into P. Correct?
Into P, yeah.
And what is the cost? Is the maximum.
Maximum is 100 a day.
Maximum is 100.
Yeah.
So this should be less than equal to 100.
That's it?
Yeah. This has also not been taught.